Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Are you on a budget and still needing windows? Well, let's talk about the options that you can get into to help you with this. You've probably heard me say in the past that, premium windows are not going to be cheap. Cheap windows are not going to be premium, and it's going to be all about longevity, what you want, features, warranty, things like that. Now, there are some windows out there that you can get into. Those types of windows are going to cost you a little less money. For some people, it's going to be really all about the dollars and cents. They need to have a window that's going to help them with sound, it's going to help them with the heat, cold, things like that. But they just don't have the endless bank account. One thing I will always tell people is get multiple quotes. Have people come in, take measurements of the windows that you want to get replaced, and just let them know you need something that's budget friendly. Now, you don't want to go with the lowest ever, unless that's really all you can, foot for, then you do what you have to do, right? It's going to be way better than what you probably have currently. Usually I would just say stay to the mid-grade windows because they're usually gonna come with a lifetime warranty. And then you have your premium windows that have like the double lifetime warranties. Getting multiple quotes, probably key, always, is making sure that you let them know, hey listen, I'm not buying today. My goal is to get multiple quotes so that way I can see how these things add up, where my money's going, and how it's going to be beneficial for me as the purchaser, right? The difference between a middle of the grade window and a premium style of window, it's not that far off in price. The other thing I would say is well, see if they offer financing. Maybe that's a better way of going. Well, that's a great option. A lot of people will do that. Another thing I always tell people too is go to your bank. If you have a credit union or your own bank and you have a relationship with the banker, just ask them, what would it take for a personal loan or whatever? What would be the interest rates? These are all things that I would tell you to do in order to make an educated decision on what type of window you want to get and how much you're willing to spend on it, but also ways to get the financing for yourself so that you can get those windows and you can feel the benefits of brand new windows and doors in your home. Okay guys, well hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.